No beans? No problem. You can still pull great shots using pre-ground coffee in the Ninja Luxe Premier. Here's how to do it right and avoid weak, watery espresso. Step 1. Choose the right grind size. Use espresso grind, not regular drip or coarse grinds. Pre-ground coffee for espresso is finer and essential for good pressure and crema. Step 2. Insert the correct filter basket. Use the single or double shot basket depending on how much coffee you want. Make sure it's dry and clean before adding grounds. Step 3. Add the right amount of coffee. Use about 8 to 10 grams for a single shot or 16 to 18 grams for a double. Use a scoop or digital scale if you want consistent results. Step 4. Tamp evenly and firmly. Use the built-in tamper or your own. Press down until the surface is flat and firm. Not too hard, not too light. Step 5. Insert and lock the portafilter. Lock it into place with a firm twist. Make sure the water tank is full, then select your brew size and start. Pro tips: store your pre-ground coffee in an airtight container. Use it up within 1 to 2 weeks for peak flavor. Avoid flavored or oily blends. They can clog your basket. If you're getting weak or fast-flowing shots, try using a finer grind or tamping a little harder. Need help troubleshooting? Support links and the user guide are in the video description. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your coffee.